Take out. To remove something from a container or a place. She took out a book from her bag to read. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Bring back. To return something to its original place or owner. Please bring back all library books by the end of the week. Can you bring back my pencil, please? Look for. To search for something or someone. I'm looking for my phone. Johnson is looking for a new job. Come out. To appear from a place or an object. The sun came out from behind the clouds. These animals only come out at night. Go through. To experience something bad or difficult. Sarah is going through a difficult time right now. She just broke up with her boyfriend. I am going through a bad time recently. Stand out. To be noticeable or to be different from others. Her red dress stood out in the crowd. His height makes him stand out in the crowd. Come across. To meet or find someone or something by chance. I came across an old neighbor in London. I came across some old letters while tidying my room. Hold back. To restrain or to not reveal something. She held back her tears. I couldn't hold back my laughter. Go on. To continue. The meeting went on for 3 hours. The match is still going on. Run out of. To use all of something and not have any left. I can't make a cup of tea, we've run out of milk. What's the Wi-Fi password? I've run out of data.